Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So in front of us today we have a K5 LLA. Now this is a ex-Union Pacific LLA that's in front of us. With a K5 LLA you have a 1L, a 1, a 2, a 3A, and a 4A. This horn is pretty cool. I do have one on the channel that's like really close to this. This is not the same horn. This is another one. But as with this horn, compared to the other one, we've got the real worn paint. You can see the primer coming through. It's like this creamish colored primer under the gray. And the reason it's so worn off is where it had bonnets on it and they had dilapidated and had fallen off and jiggled around, and it's kind of worn off the paint. It's also worn air chime down on several of the bells, like way past the lettering, so I'll put a picture up of that. It's kind of cool looking. But anyway, big fan of these. I know on the last video of the Union Pacific K5 LLA I put up, I had the 1L reversed. On this one, we're going to run all bells forward. So that's what we'll do with this. So anyway, guys, I guess that's about it. Y'all enjoy this. This is the Union Pacific raised letter K5 LLA.